When was the last time you spent one full day without your phone? No WhatsApp, no Instagram, no scrolling before sleep. For me, honestly, I don't remember. Today I'm challenging myself to do something uncomfortable. No phone for 32 hours. Crazy, right? No scrolling, no notification, nothing. Only exception, I will use my phone for records and editing. Let's see what actually happens. I realized something recently. I don't even use my phone consequently anymore. I unlock it without thinking, I scroll without purpose. Sometimes I'm not even enjoying it, I'm just stuck. And I started asking myself, am I using my phone or is my phone is using me? So this challenge is not about hating any phones. It's about understanding my habits, my boredom, my focus without my constant distraction. So let me make the rules clear. No social media, no random scrolling. I'll only use this phone for recording and editing. That's it. Day 1 was honestly hard for me. Not because I needed my phone, but because I was used to it. My body knew the habit before my mind did. Every 5 minutes, my hand moved on its own. Looking for a phone that wasn't there. Or for 10 seconds, phone. Waiting to reply someone, phone. Sitting quietly with my thoughts, phone. And suddenly, there was nothing. No screen, no scrolling, no noise. Just me. First, I felt restless, uncomfortable. Something important was missing. Time felt slower than usual, almost heavy. And that's when I realized something I wasn't expecting. I don't actually hate boredom. I have just been running from it. Something interesting happened too. Without the constant distraction, I finished my task without my checking my phone every 5 minutes. No jumping between apps, no endless refreshing, just focus. Mind flares slower but clear. By the end of the day, I was still uncomfortable, but I could feel something changing. Day 1 wasn't easy, but it was the first time in a long time that I felt present ever. And that made me curious about what the next day would bring. This is day 2. Today felt normal, and that's actually the most surprising part. I woke up and for the first time my phone wasn't the first thing I reached for. The urge was still there, but it didn't control my morning. Instead, I went out and hang out with my friends. No constant checking, no scrolling between conversation, just talking, laughing, being present. And somewhere between all of that, I realized some life doesn't feel boring without your phone. It feels clear. Later in the evening, I sat down, opened my laptop, started learning trading, planning things I kept postponing, thinking clearly about my future, and that's when it hit me. When your mind is calm, you don't look for distraction, you look for direction. Let's see what tomorrow brings. By day 3, I didn't miss my phone as much I thought I would. I felt more present, more calm, and more in control. I wasn't constantly waiting for notification. I wasn't anxious about replies. Instead of reacting to my phone, I started responding to my life. My thought felt clear, my time felt slower in a good way. I noticed small things, my surrounding, my routine, and my own headspace. I still use my phone when I needed to, like for emergency, recording, and sometimes just to relax with web series or anime. But I wasn't owned by it anymore, and that difference felt powerful. For the first time in a long time, my attention was mine. This challenge taught me one thing. We don't need to quit phones completely, but what we need to do is control. Because if you don't control your attention, something else will. If you're watching this and thinking I could never do this, maybe that's exactly why you should try, even for one day. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more real challenge like this, you know what to do.